Your AirTag running low on battery? No worries, I have got you covered. Step 1. Twist the stainless steel back cover counterless clockwise to unlock and remove it from your AirTag. Step 2. Gently lift the battery out of the compartment, taking note of its positive and negative orientation. Step 3. Insert the new CR2032 lithium coin battery with the positive side facing up. Step 4. Place the stainless steel cover back onto the AirTag and twist it clockwise until it locks in place. Step 5. Confirm that the AirTag is working by pairing it with your iPhone using the Find My app.